How to reverse video in Clipchamp. First things first is, of course, go into the Clipchamp's official site and just head out straight and create a project. So if you go ahead and check each out of their tools right here, unfortunately, there is no actual option or tool for you just to easily reverse a video on Clipchamp. Now, what you can do, the very first part is either use a third party website that you can just manually reverse it without any problems. But if you would really insist to use Clipchamp, so here's how. So just simply click and drag your media file from the timeline right here. And then what you want to do is just to split or cut frame by frame on each part of the video on where you would like it to be reversed. Now, once you've successfully split or cropped that specific part of the video, then what you want to do next is just simply rearrange the order of the specific timeline where you have split the videos or where you want the video to be reversed. So I believe that's pretty much it. That's the very last resort that you can do for you to be able to reverse a video in Clipchamp.